Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to win more matches as Reinhardt in Overwatch. Master Shield Management. Learn to deploy and retract your shield efficiently to maximize protection for your team and yourself. Positioning. Position yourself between your team and the enemy to absorb damage and create space. Communication. Use voice chat to coordinate with your team, especially when initiating or retreating. Shield dancing. Practice moving your shield in a controlled manner to conserve its health while still protecting your team. Ultimate timing. Use Earth Shatter at crucial moments, such as when the enemy is grouped or when defending against a push. Environmental awareness. Be mindful of your surroundings to avoid getting booped off ledges, especially by enemy Lucios or Pharas. Charge wisely. Use charge sparingly and strategically to secure kills or disrupt the enemy, but avoid overextending. Know your counters. Be aware of heroes that can easily deal with you, like Reaper or Sobra, and adjust your playstyle accordingly. Combo with teammates. Coordinate Earthshaker with allied ultimates like Graviton Surge or Blizzard for devastating combos. Protect your supports. Keep an eye on your healers and peel for them when they are under threat. Adapt to map geometry. Utilize map geometry to your advantage for cover and to block enemy sightlines effectively. Use Fire Strike effectively. Aim fire strikes through groups of enemies to maximize damage and build your ultimate quickly. Manage ultimate economy. Coordinate with your team to stagger ultimates effectively rather than using them all at once. Target priority. Focus on high-value targets such as enemy healers or damage dealers when possible. Practice charge accuracy. Improve your charge accuracy to secure kills without putting yourself out of position. Engage and disengage. Know when to push forward with your enemy and when to fall back to avoid feeding the enemy ultimate charge. And that's how to win more matches as Reinhardt in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.